Pre-engineered barn kits from General Steel provide outstanding value, a traditional aesthetic, and a variety of uses. When you order a pre-engineered steel barn from General Steel, you get everything you need to enclose your new barn, including the primary and secondary framing, wall, and roof sheeting. All that's needed for installation is a properly laid foundation and anchor bolts. Prefab steel barns provide a host of benefits compared to pole barn style construction. Not only are steel barns faster and easier to build, they're also impervious to fire and termite damage, they're less expensive to insure, and they don't require as much ongoing maintenance. General Steel provides steel barn kits in a variety of sizes, with customization options throughout, from doors to windows, and from insulation to paint colors. While we can design and deliver any size barn, these are our most popular barn kit sizes. Choose a 30-foot by 40-foot barn for 1,200 square feet of uninterrupted interior space with an extended 10-foot overhang. Or double the interior space to 2,400 square feet with our 40-foot by 60-foot barn kit, a perfect fit for small-sized farming and agricultural operations. Our 40-foot by 75-foot prefabricated steel-framed barn kit serves up even more working space while still allowing for clear interior spans for more efficiency. Our largest standard-sized steel barn is our 60-foot by 100-foot size, a format that delivers outstanding value for those looking to get the most out of a steel-framed building customized for specialty use. At General Steel, barn kits can be outfitted with sectional or roll-up doors, horizontal or vertical sliding windows, light transmitting panels, and roofing styles ranging from gambrel to gable. When you purchase a steel-framed barn kit from General Steel, you're not just getting every bolt and beam you need to frame your new barn, you're also getting the industry's best structural warranty lasting 50 years. Customers choose General Steel because of our legacy in the industry, our outstanding support team, and the dedicated project management assistance we provide with every order. And if you're looking for a unique steel barn format that's a bit different from our standard sizes, we can help with that too. Our building systems are incredibly versatile, highly customizable, and can be built to suit virtually any vision. Contact us today to discuss the details of your steel barn. We look forward to answering your questions and helping to make your steel barn plans a reality faster and easier than you thought possible.